In some cases, saponification, then the esterification will be very helpful. If you don't know what is this reaction, so you can watch my previous video on saponification, and then also you can watch my video on esterification. Then you will get like put together everything, then you will get this video like what I'm going to say. So suppose you have an ester group somewhere like this, but it is a t-butyl group as an ester. Like suppose you have some group here and aromatic group or something like this, like whatever. So this kind of t-butyl group from the ester you can drive or remove by using TFA. T-butyl group will be always kicked out by TFA, like trifluoroacetic acid. So in short, it called TFA, and it is in DCM, room temperature. Initially 0 degree, you can put 0 degree for 10-15 minutes, then room temperature, and it shouldn't take more than 1 hour. So 1 to 2 hours, depends on like what are the compound you are using. So in that case, that ester will convert like the carboxylic acid. Although it formed the carboxylic acid, but this t-butyl group formed the t-butanol. So the t-butanol always has more high boiling point, and it is tough to remove. Also, in presence of TFA, this kind of reaction sometimes give little bit side product, and once you get the carboxylic acid, it is very tough to purify through a column or something. So a good trick to get your 100% pure compound from this ester to carboxylic acid, what you can do, you can just do this carboxylic acid to methyl ester. If you don't know how to do that, just watch my previous video, like esterification of carboxylic acid reaction. So just do that methyl esterification, and once you make first do this reaction, TFA reaction, remove this t-butyl group, form the carboxylic acid. You don't need to do anything, just rotate the whole solvent as much as you can, dry it, then use the whole crude and use certain amount of methanol, depend on the base scale of this reaction. Like if you have 2 gram, then use like 10 to 15 milliliter or 20 milliliter of methanol, so methanol and sulfuric acid, and use this. Watch that video and make this ester first, so you will get methyl ester. Now once you have the methyl ester, then see my saponification video, use the same process like sodium hydroxide method, and once you do the saponification method, then from that reaction you will get pure 100% clean product of this. Not only this kind of compound, any compound which is giving you trouble, like after removal of the t-butyl group or after removal of any other group from the carboxylic acid, and you in the crude you are seeing many other things and it is not purifiable. So what you can do, just take the whole crude and do the sulfuric acid and methanol method to make the ester first, methyl ester. So by doing this extraction and that extraction, your additional impurity will be gone with the sulfuric acid or any other things. This is a kind of magic. So it works many times for me. So once you get this carboxylic acid, then make the ester, methyl ester again. Once you get the methyl ester, then you can purify the methyl ester through silica gel column or like any other means like recrystallization or anything. Once your methyl ester is 100% pure, then you can get the this carboxylic acid 100% pure, because you can just easily remove the methyl group from that compound. So I hope this video will help you to deal with the ester carboxylic acid and making the ester again or making the carboxylic acid again. So if you have any questions, ask me in the comment. I will try to answer my best. And please subscribe my channel, and whoever already have subscribed, thank you for your support. and I'll bring more video when I get enough time. Thank you. Bye now.